Good morning, students. Let us start with the second chapter of physics, motion in one dimensions. Today's topic is acceleration and retardation. What is acceleration? The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. We can give another definition, that is the change in velocity per unit time is called acceleration. Means the formula of acceleration is change in velocity by time taken. Since acceleration is equal to change in rate of change of velocity, so as the formula of acceleration is change in velocity by time taken. Let if the initial velocity of a body is u, and final velocity of body is v, and time taken is t, then acceleration, if the acceleration is a, if acceleration is a, then acceleration is equal to change in velocity, means final velocity, acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. So acceleration is equal to, so as the formula of acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. Here the formula of acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. So here we see that since the definition of acceleration is rate of change of velocity, so acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time taken. And if let the initial means starting velocity is u, and final velocity of body is v, and time taken is t, then acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken. If we represent acceleration by a, then A is equal to V minus U by T. Here V is final velocity and U is initial velocity and T is time. Acceleration is vector quantity. So its need magnitude as well as direction. SI unit of acceleration. What is the SI unit of acceleration? The SI unit of acceleration is equal to unit of SI unit of velocity by SI unit of time. Here we know that the SI unit of velocity is equal to meter per second, and the SI unit of time is second. So SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. In CGS system, we put centimeter in place of meter. So in CGS system, unit of acceleration is equal to centimeter per second square. Law of acceleration is equal to V minus U by T. If in case 1, if V is greater than U, then the value of V minus U is positive. So acceleration is also positive. Since V is greater than U, so V minus U, the value of V minus U is positive. So acceleration is positive. Take an example. Let the initial velocity of body is 20 meter per second and the final velocity of body V is equal to 50 meter per second, and time taken is 10 seconds. Then acceleration is equal to final velocity V minus U by T is equal to V minus U, means 50 minus 20 by 10. Here the value is 30 by 10. The value of acceleration is 3 meter per second square. Here 3 is positive, so acceleration in this case is positive, means if the final velocity is more than the initial velocity, so acceleration is positive. When in formula A, acceleration is equal to V minus U by T, if V is less than U, in this case the value of V minus U is negative. The magnitude of V minus U is negative, so acceleration is negative. Means the value of acceleration is negative. So Oscillation may be positive and negative. Negative oscillation is called declination or retardation. What is retardation? Negative oscillation is called retardation. So in this case, since the oscillation is negative, so it is called retardation or declination. It is also called declination. Take an example. If the initial velocity u is 50 meter per second, means a vehicle start moving with the initial velocity of vehicle is 50 meters per second. After applying brakes, its final velocity becomes 20 meter per second in 10 seconds. Then 10 seconds. Then what is the acceleration? Acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. So here, since final velocity is equal to 20 meter per second and initial velocity is 50 meter per second, by time is equal to 10 second. So acceleration is equal to minus 30 by 10 is equal to minus 3 meter per second squared. Here the acceleration is negative, so it is retardation. It is the case of retardation. So there are two types of acceleration: positive acceleration and negative acceleration. Negative acceleration is called retardation or declination. So we see that the acceleration is two types: positive acceleration and negative acceleration. In the case of positive acceleration, the velocity of body is increases with time, and in negative acceleration, the velocity of body will decreases with time. Let us start the next topic: types of acceleration. Let us start with first type, uniform acceleration. What is uniform acceleration? It is same as uniform velocity, uniform speed. Means if the velocity of body changes uniformly, then the acceleration is uniform. Then what is the definition of uniform acceleration? If the velocity, or we can say another definition, when the change in velocity, when the change in velocity is equal in equal interval of time, then the acceleration produced in body produce in velocity in in body is called uniform acceleration. Means when the velocity changes equal in equal interval of time, then the acceleration is uniform. As for example, let a body starts moving from point A to B. If the body starts moving with zero velocity from point A, and in 1 second its velocity becomes 2 meter per second, and at the end of second its velocity becomes 4 meter per second. At the end of third second its velocity becomes 6 meter per second. At the end of fourth second its value becomes 8 second. So here at the end of first second, here initial velocity u is equal to 0 and final velocity v is equal to 2. Time interval t is 1 second. So acceleration is equal to v minus u by t, means 2 minus 0 by 1 means 2 meter per second square, 2 meter per second square. If in second lapse, if initial velocity at the end of first second, initial velocity u is equal to 2 meter per second and final velocity at the end of second is 4 meter per second. Time interval is 1 second. So the acceleration is equal to final velocity means 4 minus initial velocity 2 by 1 means 2 meter per second square. And in next lap at the same initial velocity u is equal to 4 meter per second. Final velocity at the end of third second is 6 meter per second. Time interval is 1 second. So the acceleration is equal to 6 minus 4 by 1 means 2 meter per second square. So we see that at every interval of time, every equal interval of time, 1 seconds, your time interval is 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, and the change in velocity is 2 meter per second. Here also the change in velocity is 2 meter per second. Here also the change in velocity is 2 meter per second. Here also the change in velocity is 2 meter per second. So at every equal interval of time, 1 seconds, the velocity changes is equal, that is 2 meter per second. So it is called uniform acceleration. So in the case of uniform acceleration, the change in velocity is equal in equal interval of time. Second type is non-uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration is also called variable acceleration. It is also called variable acceleration. Acceleration. So what is the meaning of variable? Variable means changing. So when a body when the change in velocity is unequal in equal interval of time, then the acceleration is called non-uniform acceleration or variable acceleration. Here we can say give an example. Let a body start from point A with initial velocity u is equal to 0. At the end of first second, its velocity becomes 2 meter per second, and at the end of second, its velocity becomes 6 meter per second, and at the end of third second, its velocity becomes 15 meter per second. At the end of fourth second, its velocity becomes 30 meter per second. So in first 1 second, its velocity changes 2 meter per second. So here acceleration is 2 meter per second. In second interval of time, means in second lapse 1 second, the velocity changes 6 minus 2 means 4 meter per second. So here acceleration is 4 meter per second square, and in third interval of times the change in time is 1 second, and change in velocity is 15 minus 6 means 9 meter per second. Here acceleration is 9 meter per second square, and in next 1 second its velocity, change in velocity is 30 minus 15 means 15 meter per second. So here acceleration is 15 meter per second square. So every in equal interval of time, 1 second, the velocity changes is unequal. Means here velocity changes is 2 meter per second, here velocity changes is 4 meter per second, here velocity changes is 9 meter per second, here velocity changes is 15 meter per second. So this is the case of non-uniform acceleration or variable acceleration. What is acceleration due to gravity? When the body fall freely, then acceleration produced in body is called, when the body fall freely under gravitation of earth, under gravitation of earth, then acceleration produced in body is called acceleration due to gravity. gravity. It is denoted by G, small g. By a small g, and the value of G is 9.8 meter per second square on the surface of Earth. Here the meaning of free fall means only one force applied on body, that is gravitational force of the Earth. No other force applied on a body. Means when the pen is fall under vacuum, then it is called free fall. When we fall at this position, if the pen is fall, then air also resist this pen, so this is not called free fall. Free fall means no other force applied except